Kublesuan fibro session part kajing petit namta ka result kabre jongka LDA CUM TYPIST jongka DSC Ist Khasi district kani kitu ki bala qualify bala dapat exam kabre jongka local language test te ka result jongane kalami namta ban qualify namta ka interview. The result of the local language paper for the post of LDA CUM TYPIST held on 16 January 2025 is hereby declared. The eligible candidates bearing the following roll numbers are hereby declared to have qualified to appear for the personal interview, which will be held with effect from 5 to 21 March 2025. Untuk santri ke March, kemudian untuk siba balai Ter Ter hadu arfuitrik March jarapsan kanton interview nam taga nek post LDA CUM TYPIST teknik roll number kibala qualify nam taga interview. Sedang adu san not knaiway Ter Ter sampai hiang tu ki roll number jong lade san not knaiway san not saw Ter Ter not nyo not RR dan san not nyo not knai nyo Ter Ter and san not rew te sapo sang tu sampai roll number jong lade qualify em san nyo Ter Ter adu nyo not rushpo dan san not pran rulai Ter Ter adu nyo not ru nyo san not knai not way adu nyo lai way kalan la kajong kalan kiwan shagi san not wan sagi san san lai san sao san rew san khandai rulai rew nyo not khandai sagi nyo Ter Ter kumta and one san po dan san po way san po san fly san san nyo rupo rupulai rew nyo way nyo nyo khandai te kia bun ma kiba qualify nam ta personal interview ne bala san way sau san khandai san lai not san lai khandai way pra san rew not san pra not rew way san way rew sau pra way rew khandai lai kini kiba qualify nam ta ka personal interview tes ngap ha ke ga jinan kam nam ta ne eligible candidate are to appear for the personal interview, which will be held NADUH santri adu arfuitrik jompanai March san Ter Ter. The candidate are requested to check the district website from time to time for latest update relating to call letter for the personal interview. Piaban check hi na po website hi megrecruitment.nic.in piab download ia ka call letter nam ta ka personal interview. All qualified candidates are requested to report to the verification of document 1 day prior to the allotted day of the personal interview. Kamot kini kibala qualify nam ta ka personal interview piaban let shisngi shwa hatu ka tarik pandai ka personal interview shu lashai ka de ka sni personal interview piab le lupa kum mnta ka sni but pan biang document ke bro ke jong phi. If the candidate has to appear for the personal interview on March 25, the verification of document of him will be done on the 4th of March 2025. All eligible candidates must bring along their original document tengah try la tipi ka kum interview tag habra ai ke original document jong phi on the day of the verification. Jika verification can belong to office of the Deputy Commissioner Ist Khasi district NADUH Shipo Waje Mestep Hadu Arwaje Janmir as per the allotted day in the atrium area. Second floor candidate are informed to come to the verification of document on time. Hakapor biang. This is for further information that the detail of the personal interview to be attended by the eligible candidate is appended at annexure A. De kini ada bu Tarik kita hadu kata candidate annexure A. Date of verification of document. Kan mau shisngi shwa phablet interview ke san sau tarik phablet pan verify document. Te kini ki roll number NADUH san not khandai way hadu san way ar khandai ka date of interview kandai san tarik March ar jarap san phablet verification beda sau tarik March san way lai way hadu san ar san sau lai ndru tarik March san ar san ndru nyo san lai ar not ar nyo tarik March Ter Ter tu Shipo March, Khalway March, Khar March, Khalai March, Khanyo March, Pra March, Khandai, Arfway. Tek itu ki bahap hak itu ki roll number kan mau gisni pi hap roll number bakatno kasni bakatno te piapan kan mau man lek ben verify shwa then connect through kan dei lashai kasni kumta Ter Ter. May refer to result sheet regarding the detail of the roll number allotted for the personal interview in a particular day. Tek sapet ket kum ka to ka result sheet ha kapor ka interview. Te tangkat ne hi jeng betip wede bek ne result kublesuan